Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can see my video. In this video we discuss about ring. Definition of ring. A non-empty set R with two operations plus and dot is called a ring if it satisfies the following properties. किसी भी non-empty set को हम ring तभी कह सकते हैं जब ये following properties को satisfy करे. First property है R, plus is a abelian group. यानी कि abelian group की 5 property. Plus is binary, plus is associative. It means A plus B plus C is equals to A plus bracket B plus C. Identity exists. 0 belongs to R such that A plus 0 is equals to A. A plus minus A is equals to 0 for all A comma minus belongs to R. AB is equals to BA for all A comma B belongs to R. Second property R comma dot is a semigroup, and third property distribution law. A dot B plus C is equals to A dot B plus A dot C for all A comma B comma C belongs to R, and B plus C dot A, B dot A plus C dot A for all A B C belongs to R. Next definition is commutative ring. A non-empty set R with two operations plus and dot is called a commutative ring if it satisfies following condition. First same R plus is a abelian group, R comma dot is semigroup, distribution law, and fourth property है dot is commutative. It means AB is equals to BA for all AB belongs to R. Next definition is commutative ring with unity. A non-empty set R with two operations plus and dot is called a commutative ring with unity if it satisfies following conditions. First, R comma plus is abelian group, R comma dot is semigroup, फिर ये distribution law, dot is commutative, it means AB is equals to B, and fifth property existence of unit element. यानी A belongs to R, there exists E1 belongs to R called unit element such that AE1 is equals to A, यानी कि E1 is equals to 1. Next definition is integral domain. A commutative ring with unity R comma plus comma dot is called integral domain if 0 not equal A belongs to R, 0 not equal B belongs to R. It means AB not equal 0, in AB is equals to 0, either A is equals to 0 or B is equals to 0. Second definition हम कह सकते हैं commutative ring with unity without zero divisor is called integral domain. Next definition is subring. Let R be a ring. A non-empty subset S of the set R is said to be a subring of R if S is closed with respect to operation addition and multiplication in R, and S itself is a ring for these operations. If S is a subring of ring R, it is obvious that S is a subgroup of the additive group of R. Thank you.